In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video on Visme. Whether you're looking to refine your content or focus on a specific segment, this straightforward process will help you achieve just that. So, let's jump in. To start, you'll need to select the video you want to trim. Simply navigate to your Visme project where your video is located and find the slide or canvas where it resides. Once there, just click on the video element. You should notice that the video becomes active on your workspace. This means you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you need to locate the Trim button. When the video is selected, glance towards the top of your screen. You'll typically find the Trim button there, appearing as an option to modify your video. It's designed to be easily accessible once your video is clicked on, allowing for a seamless transition into the editing mode. Go ahead and click this button. Doing so will bring up a small trimming interface, which is where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about adjusting the trim sliders. Within this trimming interface, you'll see a timeline or preview of your video. At each end of this timeline, there are sliders, one for the start and one for the end of your video. These sliders are crucial as they let you select the specific parts of the clip you want to keep. Begin by dragging the Start slider. Move it to the exact point where you want your video to begin. This is particularly useful if the beginning of your original clip isn't quite what you want to show. Next, move over to the End slider. Drag this slider to where you want your video segment to conclude. By adjusting both sliders, you effectively pinpoint the precise portion of the video that will remain. Take your time with this part, making sure you capture exactly what you need. This trimming feature is a great way to ensure your video only shows the most relevant content, which can be vital for maintaining your audience's interest. Once you've defined the start and end points of your desired video section, it's time to finish up. With your adjustments in place, look for the option to confirm your trim. This button might be labeled Done or something similar, depending on the version you are using. Clicking this button solidifies your changes, meaning that just the selected segment will be part of your final presentation. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed your video using Visme. With this skill, you can now refine your videos to better suit your storytelling needs and create polished, professional projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.